Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly outlook. If you're new, welcome. This is Pledge. I'll be going over what I'll be looking to see in the forex market this coming week. I'd appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified whenever I release these videos, because I release them weekly. With that, let's get into it. So, as always, we have to check on what's happening fundamentally on the pairs that we're trading. So we check the economic calendar, and last week was a busy week. This week as well is going to be a busy week. CAD, CPI, performance meeting on Wednesday for the dollar. Then on Thursday, bunch of red news, euro, pound, dollar. Friday is going to be busy for the CAD, dollar, and there is the Jackson Hole, even though I don't know what that is, but which is going to affect all pairs. So this week is going to be a busy week, and I'm currently not looking to take any positions, but if they present, I'll surely be in there. But then mentally, I'm not in the space where telling myself that I'm going to be looking to take trades, because there's a lot of red news, and just on a month like August, where the market is a lot choppy and no clear direction. So it's just one of those where I'm just sitting it out, waiting for the volatility to come back into the markets. So with that, let's get into the charts and see what they have for us this coming week. So quick update on the DXY. Last week they actually didn't come to play where we wanted them to play at. So I wasn't actually interested, because they were just playing inside this range. Didn't break out, it didn't do anything. So just have to see what they plan to do this week. Even though I'm mentally not engaged in the idea of taking trades, because there's low volatility in the market. So I'm just simply waiting it out to see, waiting it out for the volatility to come back into the markets. So with this, they didn't come to this OB and this high, right? Which is inside the FEG, the imbalance. So I'll just have to see, even though I'm still bearish on the DXY. They took out this low, right? And still have these imbalances to come to, right? As well as these lows that they could potentially head to. So what I could actually be expecting to see is for them to come and take out this low, as well as this low, fall on this imbalance, start giving us bullish order flow, because they still have some areas to play to, the OB and this imbalance to take out this high. So we'll just have to see What do they do? That's what I'm expecting from the DXY this coming week. So with that, let's see what the euro dollar and the pound dollar are telling us for this coming week. So the euro dollar gave us two scenarios last week, of which they took one, but then didn't actually play it out. But then it was still a good reaction. Analyzing on the higher time frames, even though it may not complete the move, but then it still gives you a good range to be able to be in a position on the lower time frames and capitalize. So they took the high and eventually reacted from this FEG, and they respected it. So we could actually be expecting them to come for this high, right? Something which is sensible, which they can likely do. So this coming week, I could actually be expecting the markets to actually do the same thing, as I was expecting the DXY to come a bit down to give us some bullish order flow. So we could expect some bit bullish order flow on the euro dollar for them to give us some bearish order flow. That's what I'd be expecting to see. So wait. So that's what I'd be expecting to see this coming week. Yeah, that's what I could be actually expecting to see. Or they could just continue going to the upside to come and take out this high. Which is still also could possibly be an objective for them. So we'll just have to see what they do on upon opening for the week. So that's what I'm expecting to see on the euro dollar, right? For them to give us something like this, take out this high, or they could just create an imbalance for them to trade into, then give us bullish order flow. One of the two is what I could actually be expecting to see. So that's what my idea on what I could actually be expecting from the euro dollar. Pound dollar, we're expecting them to take out this trend liquidity, which they did, but then didn't give us the entry that we wanted. So we'll just have to see, because they still have room to play to this OB, right? So something of which we could actually be expecting to see. And they made a good range for us to be expecting something like an imbalance to trade into for further push to the upside, right? Because there's also a potential that we could actually be could actually be possible for us to see. So maybe on Monday they could open up with a range that give us a good imbalance, right, for us to play into to go to the upside, or they could just simply tap this imbalance. All right. Usually tap this imbalance, then start giving us some bullish order flow to come to at least these areas. One of the two is what I could actually be expecting to see for the pound to dollar, and unlike the euro, I think this one could actually or potentially give us a good trade for this coming week. So that's my idea on what I could actually be expecting to see on the euro dollar. I mean the pound to dollar. That's what I could actually be expecting to see. That's my game plan going into next week. So on the dollar CAD, I'm still expecting the same thing, but then they didn't play into it. So what I could actually be expecting to see this coming week on the dollar CAD is for them to trade into this. This. I could actually be expecting them to trade into this level. With this imbalance of which is unfilled. It's looking good as well. So, and what the same thing of which we're expecting on the DXY, a bit of bearish to start giving us bullish order flow. Same thing that we're seeing here, for them to come and tap into these levels, then start giving us some bullish order flow. That's what I'm seeing on the dollar CAD. So we'll just have to see how they play out and opening the week. That's what I'm expecting to see on the dollar CAD. So on gold, we're expecting this type of retracement, which they didn't give. Completely fine, and they are at an all-time high, I think, where gold has reached yeah, they are at an all-time high where gold is at 2,500. So what I could actually be expecting to see this coming week is for at least for a retracement here, right? Or at least here as well, right? Two levels of which I'd be expecting to see trading top plus this FEG. They could actually come to and trade into to give us a push to the upside. So what I could actually be expecting something like this for gold to come, play here, then start pushing for the up. But then it's at an all-time high. I wouldn't be too irrational on getting into a position, because if it's not giving me a structural play, I won't be interested to get into it. But then with rejections to these areas, I think it's a worthy trade that I could actually be interested in taking. So that's what I'm seeing on gold for this coming week. So those are my ideas on what I could be actually expecting this coming week in the charts on these pairs. I hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you see this video helping somebody else, feel free to share it. With that one, guys, thank you for watching. Till the next one, peace.